Y'all, I'm still doing my nails. Back on the summer to get my hair done. V-Day is around the corner, but I'll probably take this hairstyle out and do something else like a wig. But it's a pamper day vlog, maintenance vlog. I need my nails, toes, and hair done, and I ain't paid for it either. But that's another story. That ain't none of y'all business. Okay, y'all doing the fucking most. Like, when have I said zoom all the way in like that? This camera doing it. Goddamn most. Got me some Wendy's. Oh, I don't know who drink this was, but this is good. Yeah, that's good. Mango something. It's fresh too. I don't want to see that.
Pretties, this portion of the vlog is sponsored by I Like Hair. They were so kind enough to send me this Kinky Edges HD lace frontal wig, and it's 22 inches, and y'all look at those kinky edges. It's giving. You
guys, it's Ari from the future. So Forever Rose sent over this package for me. We already know Valentine's Day is around the corner. I guess Forever Rose felt that I was single and I didn't have nobody or boyfriend taking me out. So they just wanted to send me over these roses to show you guys. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, they smell so freaking good. Like, Forever Rose is a company that started in 2019. They are handcrafted roses, no chemicals. They have square-shaped roses, round-shaped roses, heart-shaped roses. Forever is known to last over a year. Preserved with natural oils. You guys see how pretty they are. All the roses are covered in material and vegan suede. The flowers are allergy-free. They deliver worldwide. I do want to give you guys $25 off. If you guys use my code Areeon25, you guys will receive $25 off. Please don't forget about your loved one, your wife, your girlfriend. You feel appreciated and special on Valentine's Day, and just give them these frozen boutique roses that will last over a year and smell so good.
Guys know your girl is natural, so to see a wig that's natural is like insane. Like, I couldn't believe it. I just kept looking to see, like, is this really real? Straighten them. I'm just trying to give it a softer, kinkier look because it's more of my hair texture anyways, so I'm trying to kind of mimic that a little bit more. And here's the result after. It looks more natural to me. Like I said, I'm trying to mimic my hairline.
I got a clue, bro.
It seemed like I get so much, but don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love sometimes. Yeah. Flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty lips, skinny little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never seen no real bitch when it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my moves, back up on me. Just down in my face, I know my heart.
Charlene did it. Cute, ain't it? I don't know if y'all can see, but I feel pretty. I feel pretty now. I need a little glossy gloss. Give me some gloss, y'all. But I'm about to return this hair because I'm so mad, y'all. Like, today is not my day. I got the wrong hair, wrong color hair. It's number 2, bright as fuck. Not my hair color. So I'm about to go take that back, and I've been out here bullshit. I think I'm gonna buy me another heart one. I don't like this nose ring at all. I don't even know why I wasted money on it. It's not cute. But yeah, I definitely need to give me a perm after this. This makes no sense. Like, my mom was kind of right. Like, why would you get your hair done and Valentine's Day in like 2 weeks? I'm not probably gonna do nothing on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is in like 2 weeks, girl. 3 weeks, something like that. You keep getting your hair done. I can't help it. Can't be walking around work looking crazy. Bald head. But yeah. I need to put some moisturizer on my lips. They're so dry. I need me a new camera tripod. I can't deal with this. Cute. I want to go home and do my nails, but it's late now. Let me get my feet done. I'm gonna go get my toes done for y'all. I'm gonna go to Vans, cause I'm by Van. And Van used to do my mom's feet since she was 15 and her nails. So I'm gonna go see what Van talk about.
Also, we see you. All right, thank you.
She gonna do my toes. Well, I'm getting French tip and pink, like everything pink, maybe like a little heart. I don't feel like doing my toes. I do my nails, cause everybody do their own basically.
You do the 2 big toe only. You not do all of it.
Oh, well you can paint. Oh yeah, I forgot.
You can paint it. She can paint that for you.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Just do the pink background and then do the white tip. Huh? No pink.
I do want the pink tip though. Yeah, I done missed everything. I want some Jamaican food. I'm spending too much money. I want Jamaican food though. And bubble tea. See this beauty? Yeah. Queen. Do it big. Look. Yeah, I'm back home. So I brought me a few goodies, y'all. If y'all can see, I'm about to wash my face. Man, my baby hair's gonna be messed up in the morning. They're so cute. But y'all know how that scarf be giving dents on the head and stuff. I'm not gonna be cute no more. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow afternoon when I'm doing my nails, and that will be ending off this maintenance vlog, pampering myself, getting back into the bad bitty movement. You feel me? All right, see you guys in the morning.
Shorty rock to the beat for your boy. Shorty, yeah, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer. Fast forward.
So guys, I'm getting my brows laminated by my girl Rithany. So yeah, it's the next day, guys. I'm getting a little perm on my brows. These are so cute. Look, y'all, aren't they cute? Oh, I look so good, just like this.
Alright, and then I'm gonna check it like every 30 minutes. Yeah,
Okay.
and brush it up, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna set my timer.
Okay.
And you can just hang out. excited.
But yeah, yeah.
No, it's just so dry.
I'm trying to let you guys see the process. I feel like my breath stink. Did my breath stink?
Have you tried to lift oil before?
Yes. Cause I got dry mouth right now. I haven't ate anything.
Oh, I get that.
You could feel like, oh my god, I don't want to kill nobody, but
Burberry fragrance on my shirt from when she hugged me. Hard as a rock when she touched me. Freaking out cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but just can't call me back to you. God turned you into a butterfly. Let us say hello, tell a nigga goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonia, it was Tonya, it was Monique, it was easy, it was Kiki. Now to see you at 23, all I can say is man, I don't need no hood for the shit. Shorty right there, shit. Shit, shorty is shit. Shit, shorty is shit. Shit, shorty
yeah, I'm gonna say that.
shit. Shorty a dime. You should tip her. You should tip her. You should tip her.
Get my edges laminated. I can feel the burn.
Oh, don't say that.
Okay. A little bit.
It's just a little tingle, right?
That's how it goes. I don't mind the burn.
Yeah, yeah. Rock my beat for your boy. Now to see you at 23, all I can say is man, I don't need no hook for the shit. Shorty right there, shit. Shit, shorty is shit. Shit, shorty is shit. Shit, shorty is shit.
Like 3 steps.
Shit.
We're into your tent.
Then my edges laminated by Rithany. Come to the Benefit Brow Bar. I can't even say it right, Lord. They know. In Ulta. Come to the Short Pump Ulta. We want Rithany to have all the clients, y'all. Yes, come book. She get me right. Lamination.
Food for thought and not
This is the final results of the lamination. Yes, they're mad dark, but they will be lighter tomorrow. They'll get lighter. I can't get them wet for 24 hours, so, but look, they're crisp. Y'all see it? Y'all, I'm doing my nails. You see how my hair didn't, I mean, I guess, but I'm about to do my nails. I'm gonna end the vlog off like that with my nails done, because I gotta get this video out. Y'all, I'm still doing my nails. I'm almost done. Hold on, I don't want to get copyright. Your girl is still doing her nails, bro.
It's in a box, a brown box. You see if I can find it.
I ain't perfect, bro. Y'all see? I'm a nail person. What do you mean?
Yes, you did.
Extendos back in effect.
Like this for real? Thank you, baby. Look, you leaving now? I'ma see you later. I'ma sneak through your window. Bye.
Y'all, I finished my V-Day nails. Look at it. Yeah, this is, yes they do. Yes they do. They love it here. Wanna play me? V-Day nails done. Grabbers. I got a video, but these are my nails. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my maintenance vlog. Get ready with me. This will be ending the vlog. Y'all see this? Boom. Toes done. Nails done. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.